Good morning, student. In previous video, we have studied about the organic compound consists of three parts. That is root word, second suffix, and third one is prefix. Okay. Now, in previous video, I explained what is the meaning of word root, and in suffix, there are two types of suffix: primary suffix and secondary suffix. Okay. Now, I explain also primary suffix. What is the meaning of primary suffix? In this session, I am going to explain what is the meaning of secondary suffix and the meaning of prefix. So look here, secondary suffix. Okay. Now, suffix are two types: primary suffix, okay, and second one is secondary suffix. Now, what is the meaning of secondary suffix? Okay, first I am going to discuss with example. Then I define what is the meaning of secondary suffix. Okay, now look here. Here I am writing a structure formula of organic compound. Look here, CH3 CH2 CH2OH, first compound. Okay, now second compound, CH3 CH2 COOH. Okay, first and second compound. If I ask you which functional group are present in this compound and which functional group are present in this compound, then you tell me that these compounds contain this OH group. Okay, means it is compound of alcohol. Okay, and here in this structure there is presence of COH group, means carboxylic group, means it is the compound of carboxylic acid. Clear? So the group which indicate us the compounds are alcohol or carboxylic acid or aldehyde or ether, okay, or ester, known as secondary suffix. Okay, so secondary suffix. Okay, so what is the meaning of secondary suffix? The meaning of secondary suffix is a functional group which tell us that the given compounds belongs to alcohol family, carboxylic family, ether family. Okay, so this is the meaning of secondary suffix. Okay, means simply secondary suffix means representation of principal functional group. Now, what is the principal? I discuss in later. Okay, but the meaning of secondary suffix, from the secondary suffix, what with information we obtain? Information that is the compounds are alcohol or carboxylic acid or ether and so on. Okay, so look here, secondary suffix. Okay, now when we identify that which functional group are present in the compound, okay, so what word we used in the naming of organic compound according to IUPAC? Means suppose this one, so OH group are present, Okay, so look here, OH group are present, it is alcohol. It is alcohol. Okay, and IUPAC. IUPAC. Okay, means the suffix uses. Okay, so if OH group are present, it is alcohol, functional group is alcohol. And what word we use as a suffix? So when OH group are present, we use OL. All of you know very well. Okay, in class 10th all of you studies, that is the suffix. Okay, secondary suffix. If CHO group is present, it is aldehyde. Okay, then we use secondary suffix as AL. Okay, when SH group is present, known as thio alcohol, and the word used in secondary suffix is thiol. When COOH group is present, it is carboxylic acid, and the word uses in secondary suffix is oic acid. Okay, so this is the meaning of secondary suffix. Okay, with the help of secondary suffix we can identify the compounds are alcohol, carboxylic acid, ether, or so on. Okay, so this is the secondary suffix. Okay, so primary suffix which tell us the nature of carbon compounds, means saturated or unsaturated. Secondary suffix tell us that which functional group is present. Okay, which functional group is present, and for functional group we use some name, that is this one. Okay, now next I am going to discuss prefix. What is the meaning of prefix? Now prefix. Okay, so look here. Prefix. Okay, now the first point related to prefix is that first one, alkyl group. Alkyl group considered as prefix. Okay. Second, some functional group. Some functional group are also always considered as prefix. Okay, always considered as prefix. Okay, example, chloro. Okay, now bromo, means halogen family, always used as prefix. Okay, chlorobromo, iodo. Okay, now NO2, nitro, NO, nitroso. These functional group, these are also considered as a functional group, but it is used as prefix. It is very, very important. It is used as prefix. Okay, now last point related to this. Okay, now look here. Here I am writing a structure, formula and compound. Look here, CH3, CHOH, CH2, COOH. Okay, now look here. This compound contain two functional group. This one alcohol and second one is carboxylic group. Carboxylic group. Now here a question arises, which functional group are considered as suffix? Okay, because suffix means secondary suffix. Secondary suffix means which tell us the compound is alcohol or carboxylic acid, ether and so on. Okay, so here a question arises, which functional group are considered as suffix? Okay, now look here. In next video I will discuss the priority order of functional group. Okay, there are 16 or 17 functional group. Okay, so in next video I will discuss the priority order of functional group. According to priority order, the group which comes first known as principal functional group. Clear? Known as principal functional group, and principal functional group are considered as secondary suffix. Clear? And the other group are used as prefix. Clear? So look here, in this case carboxylic acid, it is a principal functional group, PFG, principal functional group. Okay, and always in the priority order of functional group, the first position of group is carboxylic group. This is the first position. Okay, so it is considered as PFG. PFG means principal functional group. Principal functional group. Okay, the principal functional group. So principal functional group considered as this is considered as secondary suffix. Secondary suffix. Okay, secondary suffix. And the other functional group present in the compound used as prefix. So in this example, okay, carboxylic acid or PFG means principal functional group, so it is used as secondary suffix, and these are known as what? Used as prefix. Alcohol group used as prefix and carboxylic acid group used as secondary suffix. Okay, so these are about the points related to prefix. Prefix means alkyl group used, alkyl group or it is also known as alkyl group. Okay, this is alkyl group, or it is also known as side chain. Okay, side chain or substituent okay, or branch chain. Branch chain. So alkyl group or side chain or substituent or branch chain used as prefix. Some functional group are always considered as prefix, like this one: chloro, bromo, iodo, NO2, nitro, NO, nitroso. If there is presence of chlorine, then we use prefix chloro. If bromine is present, then we use bromo, and if iodine is present, we use iodo. If NO2 is present, for example, look here, CH3, CHNO2 and CH3. Okay, so what is the name? The functional group present NO2, and it is always used as prefix. And what is the meaning of prefix? The word used before the words or name. Okay, so name is 2-nitropropane. Clear? So these are about the prefix. Okay, now all of you take the screenshot of this portion and note down in your copy, and this is very important, these 2 points. Okay, it is very important point. Okay, what is the important point? Okay, if more than one functional group is present in the organic compound, okay, first we decide which group are known as principal functional group, and the principal functional group are known as secondary suffix. Clear? Now the rest functional group are considered as prefix. So how can we identify which functional group are known as principal functional group? Okay, to identify a table in which all functional group are arranged into their priority order. Okay, which I discuss in next video. On the basis of that table, we easily find which group are known as principal functional group and which group are known as are used as prefix. Okay, now next I am going to discuss some also points related to this part. Now all of you take the screenshot of this portion. So I explain what is the meaning of word root, what is the meaning of suffix, in suffix, primary suffix and secondary suffix, and what is the meaning of prefix. Okay, so look here, on the basis of these, that is word root, root word, second suffix, okay, and prefix. Okay, now on the basis of these 3 points, word root, suffix and prefix, it is concluded that the how we use these 3 when we give the name of or writing the name of organic compound. So the correct sequence, all of you note down this point, correct sequence. Correct sequence. What is the correct sequence? When we writing the name of organic compound, first we write the prefix. First we write the name of prefix. Then word root. Okay. Then primary suffix. Then secondary suffix. Okay, secondary suffix. Okay, now all of you know very well prefix. Okay, now prefix are represented by the position of alkyl group. Okay, prefix, all of you know very well, prefix means the word used before the name of word. Okay, so prefix are represented by position of alkyl group. It always represent the position of alkyl group. Position, how can we represent the position of alkyl group? By the number, means 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now what is the meaning of this? Suppose a question asked in your examination, write the IUPAC name of this compound. CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3. Okay, this one. Now look here. What is the general rule when this one? Okay, so it is simple. 1, 2, 3. This is the longest chain. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3. Now what is the name? First we use prefix, and prefix means alkyl group. So this is the prefix. Okay. Now so what is the name? First we write the prefix. Prefix. And look here, prefix are represented by the position of alkyl group 1, 2, 3. So look here, this alkyl group attached with second carbon. So 2 methyl. Okay, 2 methyl. Word root pro. Primary suffix. Primary suffix means which represents or tell us that the nature of carbon. So look here, what is the nature of carbon? Carbon single bond means saturated, and for saturated we use A. Okay, so pro A. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Okay, now what about secondary suffix? In this case, secondary suffix are absent. That is why we not use secondary suffix. Okay, so prefix. Now word root, all of you know very well what is the meaning of word root. That is C1, C2, C3 and so on. For C1 math as this. Now primary suffix. Primary suffix means nature of carbon. Nature of carbon means saturated, unsaturated. Okay, and in unsaturated there are two categories, alkene and alkyne. Okay, also in primary suffix, if compound contain 2 double bond, okay, or 3 double bond. Okay, now secondary suffix. Secondary suffix means functional group. Okay, so this is the correct sequence to write the name of IUPAC name of organic compound. Okay, now in next video we will discuss the general rules and solve examples and learn how to write the IUPAC name of the organic compound. Okay, all of you take the screenshot of this portion also, and this is very important. Correct sequence: prefix, word root, primary suffix, and this word. Okay, so take the screenshot. Thank you.